Okay, everybody, welcome back to my bowling channel here on YouTube. As a request from a YouTube user that don't have a name like, we're going to do all three of the pins. We're going to do a test. So, this is the ABC WIBC Brunswick Score King 300 Award Series bowling pin, which is the number 385. That's the back looks like. And this pin, that's sounding like this. That's cool. The next one is the original Brunswick King. It's back released in the 1950s. And you see that's the back. For the original Brunswick Score pin, the Brunswick Score King pin sounds like this. Let's try again. And I'll try again with this pin. Perfect. And the last pin is the twister pin. It says the art of bowling. That's the front and the back. The stripes are made of brick. I didn't know that. And finally, we're going to do the last pin set. That sounded like this. That is static wood. But anyways, once again, stay tuned to my bowling channel. We'll be in North Dakota. So, enjoy the rest of your day.